Good morning, dear students. Next lesson for moral science is helpfulness. That is the landlord and his three sons, giving the moral of helpfulness. Okay, the story goes here. Once upon a time, there was a young gardener whose name was Mahesh. He worked in a rich landlord's house. The master of the house was kind to Mahesh and treated him well. Okay, so Mahesh was a young gardener and he was working in a rich landlord's house. The master of the house was kind to Mahesh and treated him well. The master toiled hard in the fields along with the farmers all day. The farmer toiled hard in the fields means the even the farmer was working very hard for a long time in the field along with the farmers. But his three sons spent most of the day wandering in the village. That is, the landlord had three sons, but they were good for nothing and they were whole day wandering in the village. Their father was very anxious about their future as they did no useful work. The landlord was worried about his three sons. What are they going to do in the future? He was worried about it. Why? Because they did not do any useful work. One day, he asked his sons to carry bundles of grains from the field. The boys disobeyed him as they thought it was below their dignity to do so. Means father asked to do some work and those three boys refused. While the boys were still arguing with their father, Mahesh came along. He asked, "What is the matter, sir?" The master told Mahesh, "These sons of mine are not willing to carry these bundles of grains. They think it is below their dignity to do such physical work as they are the sons of a landlord. And I am so old that I cannot carry this load." Hearing this, Mahesh at once picked up all the bundles of grains and walked off towards the master's house. Then, some days later, the boys were having fun riding on a bullock cart. Landlord's son, three sons, they were having fun riding on a bullock cart. The cart driver was a fooling young man. He mistakenly drove his cart into a thick, muddy, and sticky place below the earth, means little below. The wheel of the cart sank in the marsh and would not move. Marsh is an area of lowland that is always soft and wet. So the wheel of the cart was sank in the marsh and would not move. Afraid of being beaten, the driver fled, leaving the boys to their fate. The boys screamed for help. They were shouting for help as they were in need. Soon some people heard them and came to the swamp ground. They said, "We cannot risk our lives. Your father will have to call strong workmen who will put bamboo poles across the swamp to rescue you." Okay, children, this is the first page of the story, lesson number 11, The Landlord and His Three Sons. Next, we will do in next period. Thank you.